Hi, I'm Karina, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to interact with the community in the Kadans platform. Let's start by talking about homepage, where you can create a post. You can tag your colleagues, you can add an URL link, a photo, a file, and please notice that if you share your post as it is, it will automatically go to all locations. This means that the members from all the locations will receive a notification about your post. However, if I select a location, in this case London, this means that only the members from London Innovation Center will receive a notification about your post. Please notice that on the platform, however, you can find posts sent to all locations, but you can also find posts sent to a specific location as well. Another way to interact with the community is via the chat function. Click on the icon in the top corner and start a new private chat with someone. Search for the contact or the member you would like to get in contact with. Another way to send a chat is by clicking on the profile of the member. You will see a message button in blue. Click on it and start chatting. A third way to interact with the community is via the groups. The groups are small environments where you can interact with members who share the same interests. You will see your own groups at the top. Here you can also create a post. If you would like to join a group, all you have to do is click on it and join. Once you join, you see that you will automatically be able to send a post. This also means that as a member, you will be notified when a post has been shared in the group of your choice. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you can create a new post, send someone a chat, or join a group. Thanks for watching.